Hey there, Gmail enthusiasts! Ever wished for a quicker way to compose emails? In today's video, we've got the solution: how to create templates in Gmail. Say goodbye to repetitive typing and hello to efficiency. Let's dive in. Open your browser and head over to gmail.com. Click on the settings icon. You can't miss it. Scroll down and click on See All Settings. Now, let's venture into the advanced territory. Click on Advanced. Find the magic switch. Select Enable for Templates. Hit Save Changes to lock in your template superpowers. Ready to compose? Click on Compose. Craft your masterpiece. Write whatever you want in your template. Click those three dots for more options and select Template. Save your draft as a template. Click Save as New Template. Give your template a name and click Save. Need that template in action? Click on those three dots, go to Templates, and select the one you saved. Want to tidy up? Click on Templates. Say goodbye to any template you don't need. Click on Delete Template. Then choose the one you want to part ways with. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.